Sol, bakit ka sumali sa Mongol Derby?
Um, wow. Ang daming naging rason, no? Kasi naghahanda ako for 3.5, almost 4 years. Um, so along the way, I picked up a lot of reasons, but I think um, aside from, wanting to, I guess, bring pride to the pony boys, to the people who taught me how to ride.
The
Naghahanap
Pony
din
Boys
ako
in
ng
Baguio. Mm.
Yeah, naghahanap din ako ng personal validation kasi um alam I'm sure a lot of young people can relate, pero um the feeling na hindi mo pa nahanap yung talagang gusto mong gawin, or hindi mo pa
Mhm.
nahanap yung calling mo.
Mhm.
um and I've tried all sorts of things. Mostly nag-work ako as a visual artist. But when it comes down to what I want and what I think I should be doing, um, na-realize ko din na mas magaling talaga ako sa pangangabayo. I think it's the best thing I do, and unfortunately, um, hindi siya talagang recognized as a viable livelihood. I mean, hanggang ngayon nagsa-struggle talaga yung mga local pony boys dito. Um, and for the longest time, customer customer lang ako nila, suki. I mean, I was their friend, pero coming from,
Mhm. Mhm.
my privileged upbringing,
Mhm.
um, it's not it's not something that um, was passed on to me na pwede kang maging pony boy bilang trabaho. you know,
Yes.
More of
Mhm.
seen as a hobby siya. So,
Mhm.
nung nag-sign up ako para sa Mongol Derby, parang yan yung hinahanap ko, is yung may mapupuntahan itong skill, itong knowledge na nakuha ko sa mga pony boy.